Good morning, students. This is Miss Egan. I'm going to be posting a morning meeting each day on Google Classroom. You can listen here for the important updates of the day and kind of to get some guidance on what is expected of you to do at home each day. I know a lot of things have changed over the last couple of days, but we'll keep morning meeting the same if possible. Okay, it's obviously going to be different here at home, but I will be on every morning to greet you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Today is March 17th, 2020. Tomorrow will be March 18th, 2020. Yesterday was March 16th, 2020. The weather is rainy and a little bit snowy, but doesn't look like it's sticking here at my house. I have a couple reminders as well with people who have been asking me some questions, okay? So the first reminder is that when you log on to Epic at home, all right, you want to click that you're at school, because remember, you're pretending that you're at school while you're doing your work. However, Epic only works with your school login during school hours. So I think it's like 8 to 4, something like that. So if you're going on Epic outside those times, you might have to open a home account. But try your best to use the school one and use our class code if possible, okay? The next reminder is that in your folder, you received 6 packets of reading responses, okay? You get to pick which week you do which response. I wanted to make sure that you got to mix it up during your weeks at home. And I gave you some choice in what order you can do them in, okay? There should be an example of each of the prompts and how I expect you to be answering, but it's just like our reading response station in class, okay? So at least 4 sentences, making sure they're strong responses to the book that you chose to read, either on Epic or in person, okay? The other thing I want to draw your attention to is there is a caterpillar reading challenge inside. And what that means is each time you read a book, you're going to color in one of the circles on the caterpillar and you're going to have someone initial it. Okay, these can be epic books as well. When you fill up the caterpillar, you can bring it back to school and I'm going to get you an extra special prize. Okay, now the other last reminder is to please text me if you have any questions. You can text me on Google Classroom. You can text me on Google Voice. You can text me through ClassTag, whatever works, all right? Okay, so here is our work for today that you're expected to complete, all right? So for morning work, you're going to complete day 93 of that first morning work packet. If you did not have a chance to do day 92 yesterday, you can go ahead and do both of those. It won't take you long. For reading, you're going to read for 20 minutes. You can read from your library, or you could read a book on Epic, okay? And then you're going to do a reading response sheet, which I just told you. There are 6 packets in your folder. If you came before 12 o'clock to pick up your packets, you might not have as many reading responses. What you can do is you can use your writing journal to respond to your reading by telling me your favorite part of the book or giving me a summary. For writing, you're going to pick a topic from the writing prompts menu and you're going to write it in your journal and include a drawing, okay? For phonics, you're going to complete pages 15 to 18 in the From Phonics to Reading book. If some of the pages are already done from guided reading, good for you. Don't worry about it. You can just finish the pages that are completed, that need to be completed. For cursive, you're going to try and complete pages 4 and 5 of your cursive book. If you have a printed copy that's a full paper, you just want to go ahead and complete the first and the second page of that cursive packet. For math, You'll notice that the page numbers are the same for the whole week. That is not a mistake. I want us to kind of ease into this at-home learning this week. So at some point this week, you need to do pages 143 and 144. Okay, that's gonna be talking about multiplying by twos. So anytime that you can practice skip counting by twos around your house, that will help. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Go as high as you can. Okay, that's going to help you with your multiplication tables of 2. And then you're going to play Prodigy for 20 to 30 minutes. Right now, it should be set up to division. If you have finished your division, it will kick you back to the regular questions. And I will be changing that as everyone finishes division. I'll go ahead and assign a new assignment, and it might not line up with what you're doing in your math book. I might put in some review of some standards that we've already worked on. Okay, so that is what you're expected to do at home today. Like I said at the beginning, please reach out to me if you have any questions. I miss all of you already, and I hope that we can chat soon. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.